Welcome to my channel Chubby Views. Today in this video you'll know about the mysterious case of Kazakhstan village where 160 residents suddenly fell asleep for days. It is a mysterious place where people slept for weeks even on the roads. This may surprise you, but it is absolutely true. This phenomenon began at the end of 2012. Residents of village of Kalachi in northern Kazakhstan suddenly began to fall asleep unexpectedly. These inhabitants could sink into unconsciousness while fishing, in front of the stove or at the wheel. In October 2015, this strange disease just as suddenly disappeared. In April 2010, Lyubov Belkova was the first person to be attacked. It was April 2010 when she was working in the market and was swept away by uncontrollable drowsiness that made her unconscious. She did not wake up until nearly 4 days. Then she woke up in hospital, where she was told by the doctors that she had suffered from a stroke. And later 5 more women from the village were hit by the strange disease at the same time, including a kid. After a few months, 140 out of 810 residents were affected by the disease in what already appeared to an epidemic. The people who live in this strange village, for about 160 people, spend time sleeping, but there is also a surprising thing that after sleeping, the villagers forget all the things that happened in the past and men apparently demanded sex. The situation is that most of the people of this village are suffering from sleeping disorders. No one could understand at that time why this was happening. Even medical tests do not reveal the cause of their sleep. This made many people think that the village was haunted by demons and that something bad was going to happen. The world did not know about this village until the article came in the local magazine. Eventually, the people there started to wonder about the problem. Kalachi village people will fall asleep without knowing to themselves. The condition is that people can fall asleep at any time while eating, drinking, taking baths, while walking. According to village people, they do not even feel sleepy before they fall asleep. The doctors were shocked as they didn't know what's happening. They began to suspect sky, air, water and even vodka. They feared drinking as they thought people were poisoned with fired vodka. In addition to that, the village people also began to suffer from severe hallucinations, nausea and euphoria, both before going to sleep and after waking up, and even the animals in the village suffered from brain diseases. Finally, the mystery was solved, as in 1991, when Moscow refused to support Krasnogorsk and Kazakhstan declared a moratorium on uranium mining. Around 6,500 miners with their families were spitting out of life. The reason this mysterious disease took so long to discover is that the phenomenon only occurred when there was a strange combination of very little oxygen with excess of CO and CH. This only happens in certain atmospheric conditions. To explain this in simple terms, as the uranium mining was closed long time ago, it turns out that these old mines, many wooden structures were used. When the mine in the village was closed, they got filled with underground water, and by keeping the wood in contact with this water, carbon monoxide was produced, which was dangerous and caused this illness. Russian scientist has already known about this cause of illness. In his thesis, he said this is caused because of radon gas is released in the air. Kazakhstan Minister of Labor and Social Protection of Population, Berdibek Saparbayev, said in report that this disease was result of carbon monoxide contamination along with other hydrocarbons resulting from floating of Soviet uranium mine, and carbon monoxide was released by wood and water into the air, and oxygen level was reduced, and this sleeping illness was caused to the village people. Evacuation of 2 villages has begun with authorities reportedly relocating 68 of 223 families so far. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, click the like button and click the bell icon to know my new updates.